Hey guys, a new credit card looks metal, we don't know, but has been launched by the old horse in Indian market. That is the Standard Chartered card. But the problem is Standard Chartered has stopped issuing any credit card in India. So if you don't have a priority savings account with them as of now, you can't get this card. So you can drop the video over here. But let's see what they offer because looks like a decent card. But again, the problem is, as I have earlier compared it, it's more of a Standard Chartered Ultimate card with a few more additions. Let's see. So सबसे पहले, so the first thing you will see is the annual fees, which is the joining fees is 15,000 plus GST, but you get 15,000 worth of Taj, Make My Trip or Luke's gift card against that. So the GST component, that is the 18% GST over the 15,000 will be the amount you actually pay. And you earn 3.3% rewards on normally all the spends, which is like Ultimate, and 2% on essential categories such as government, utility and insurance like the Ultimate. Then you have unlimited domestic and international lounge access with 8 guest visits. The name of the credit card is Beyond Credit Card, which looks absolutely stunning. And if it comes in metal, definitely it is going to have some glam of its own. Next, it has 2 complimentary golf game stroke lessons every month at premium golf courses. And we have to see which are those courses. We'll see during the course of the video. We get 1 movie ticket on movie and events, buy one get one, up to rupees 1,000 off per month. So that will save you around 12,000 per year. But the popcorn and the Coke which you buy, that is going to cost you even more. So be aware even if you are going for a movie. And on international spends, that is on 15% cashback on duty-free stores across the world. Plus the markup currency, the forex markup is only 2%. So this is what you get in base. The payment voucher, like whenever you pay the joining fees, you have 15,000 worth of vouchers we just discussed earlier. On spending 20 lakh, you get 60,000 points worth of reward points. Now, as far as I know, the reward points can be redeemed as the Standard Chartered Ultimate ones. So we have to see how they come up, and it may be step-by-step milestone or a single milestone, which will not make sense. So step-by-step milestone. So there may be a milestone at 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 15 lakh, something like this. That's not clear as of now. Plus, we get 26,000 worth of domestic lounge access with 4 visits. So there are 8 per year and 4 guest visit per year. Then you have international lounge access of 6 per year and 4 guest visits. So you don't need a different priority pass for this. This will work in itself for the priority pass. And you have a Easy Diners offer of 25% off up to rupees 2,500 over and above the restaurant discount. So this is one of the second card which gives you a discount of 2,500. So for a bill of 10,000 rupees, you can get a discount of 2,500 rupees. So you have to end up paying like around 7,500 rupees for a bill of 10,000 or more. So it totally depends on how it works, but it's only 1 per month. We spoke about the movie ticket. There are golf tee off timing 6 times a year, and higher utilization will give you more. Duty free up to rupees 6,000 you can save 4 times a year, look 1,500 rupees. Then enjoy like a forex markup of 2% which was there, and fuel surcharge waiver of rupees 1,200 on spends of 10,000 fuel per year. So this is the basic thing about this card. But the major issue is the fund under management, that is the amount of money which you should give and transaction which you should do with Standard Chartered is 50 lakh and above, and it is for priority banking customers only. You can say like what is FUM? It is basically a combination of savings, term deposit, investment made through bank, life to date paid up life insurance policies, and market value of demat holdings in the depository accounted with kept with Standard Chartered Bank. The applicant should belong to the card sourcing city, and they are supposed to do the policy checks as well. This is the basic thing about this card. The annual fees is zero if you are able to maintain the 50 lakh FUM, and it will be calculated in the last 3 months of the membership year, as we will see next in the next thing. There are 2 supplementary cards which you can get. The charges are nil, and if you don't fall into the FUM category, like the fee waiver category, you have to pay 25,000 plus GST, which will make it the highest renewal fees card. It's over Access Olympus and Times Black as well, so like one of the highest ones. So you have to maintain this priority banking with FUM, otherwise you are just going to bleed the money. Let's talk about the facts. But before that, guys, our membership is live on our Professor Cards in the channel, which has more than 10,200 subscribers, and you will get a collection of videos including how to get cashback on credit card bill payments, how to what is the cheat sheet of Cathay Pacific if you want to fly on that, and there is a 25% bonus as well if you transfer your Amex points, HDFC points, and one more bank's points to Cathay Pacific. So it is a very important video. Plus, how to book your rooms for friends and family using Marriott points. There are a lot of videos which you start, like if you watch, if you see at the start of your credit card journey, it will help you a lot. It's only $199, plus you get access to the WhatsApp group for the membership period, and you get 15 minutes of chat time with me if you have any doubt related to any of those credit card related things. So the benefits, the joining benefits, you will get 60 days after the repayment of your credit card, and the minimum amount to due is to be paid. There are 3 voucher options, that is Lux, Taj and Make My Trip. This is against the joining fees. Validity will be mentioned, 15,000 can be redeemed, so that is how they are compensating. The reward points which you earn, it will be redeemed through the same reward portal, and I'm guessing that the reward options will be similar to what Ultimate has. I hope they bring in new reward partners that will help the card a lot. Apart from that, duty-free forex and markup charges, as you can see, duty-free cashback will be credited in 3 days. 1,500 per month is the maximum eligible duty-free cashback. That will be 15% of the total charges. Fuel surcharge will again be credited 3 days, and 1% fuel surcharge waiver will be available for up to rupees 5,000, and it is the total, like from primary and supplementary, it's added, and the maximum you can get is for 10,000, the 1% on that. Forex markup will again be 2%, and there is no capping on this feature. For lounge access, we just discussed, you don't get another priority pass. Whatever you get, and you can use the card in the priority pass lounges. Apart from that, the Beyond card will give you 2 golf lessons per play or lessons per month. You have to book it through either the SC Privilege mobile app, or you can book it through the website, that is scprivilege.thrive.com. 2 rupees will be charged, and you can use that. The Book My Show offer, they will provide you buy one get one ticket up to 1,000 rupees discount on Book My Show, and that's 1 per month, so 12,000 you can save. But again, the popcorn and things are very high. Then Easy Diner, you get 25% instant discount up to rupees 2,500. So basically 10,000 rupees food bill will come down to 7,500 if you want to enjoy the full thing. Once a month it may work, and you don't have to spend the whole amount. You can spend 5,000 rupees and get 1250 rupees discount on that as well. Apart from that, annual fees will be charged if you don't maintain the FUM qualified criteria for last 3 months prior to charge of the credit card, and if you don't, then it will be paid, like you have to pay 25,000, and bank may withdraw some of the features of the Beyond credit card for your account, and it can be downgraded. So all in all, it is not a card I'm going to recommend to any of the UHNIs for which this card is being offered, and there are 3 major flaws on this. First of all, the reward rates remain same as Ultimate card. Second of all, there is no accelerated rewards for which it is supposed to pitch. For third thing, for 3 lakh net salary, you can easily get Magnus for Burgundy. Emerald Private Metal and Infinia is for 5 lakh. If you want Diners Club Metal, that also comes in the same eligibility criteria. And apart from that, if you are in UHNI, you want your redemptions to make some sense. As of now, the redemptions which options which this give, it doesn't make a lot of sense. Like I am using Ultimate Card for last 7 years or so, like last 4 years, and I have not been able to redeem it. There are vouchers like High Design Hamleys I have redeemed, but they are not on the top end of the criteria. So that is one thing. One thing I can give it to a Standard Chartered is the card looks very beautiful, and it is like a head turner. If it comes in metal, it is one of the most beautiful looking cards out there, and I will rate this over Times Black, Diners Club Black Metal, Axis Olympus, Infinia, and Magnus of Burgundy. This looks one of those high-end cards which you should have in your wallet, but you should not use for your regular affairs. If something new comes up, we are going to definitely cover it up. However, if you like the video, I'll really appreciate if you do hit that subscribe button and follow us, join as a member so that you get access to this group. The membership is live on this as well, and our Hindi channel as well. So thanks a lot for watching. Take care. Bye bye. See you and Jai Hind.